Imagine a toothpaste that doesn't just clean your teeth, but actually repairs them, restores strength, and reduces sensitivity, all without the risks sometimes associated with fluoride. Hydroxyapatite, a mineral naturally found in your teeth, is now being used in toothpaste to do just that. Popular in Asia for decades, it's gaining global attention as a safe, effective, and gentle alternative for oral care, promising healthier, stronger, and brighter teeth with every brush. Before I continue, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, so more people can discover this content. Also subscribe to receive more content like this. This content is for educational purposes only and is not medical or dental advice. Consult a qualified dentist or healthcare professional for guidance on your personal oral health. Hydroxyapatite toothpaste has gained widespread attention as a modern alternative to fluoride, especially in Asian countries such as Japan and South Korea. Hydroxyapatite, a calcium phosphate compound, is the main mineral found in human enamel and dentin. When used in toothpaste, synthetic hydroxyapatite mimics this natural structure and bonds directly with teeth. This allows it to repair microscopic enamel damage, restore mineral density, and protect against cavities in a way that closely resembles the body's natural processes. One of the major advantages of hydroxyapatite toothpaste is its biocompatibility. Because it is chemically similar to the material that already makes up teeth and bone, it is completely non-toxic and safe if swallowed. This makes it particularly suitable for children, pregnant women, and individuals who wish to avoid fluoride. Hydroxyapatite also helps with sensitive teeth by covering up tiny channels in the teeth, called dentinal tubules, that lead to the nerves inside. When those channels are sealed, things like cold or sweet foods are less likely to make your teeth hurt. In addition, it smooths the enamel surface, creating a gentle whitening effect without the harsh abrasives or peroxide found in many whitening products. Clinical studies increasingly show that hydroxyapatite can prevent demineralization and inhibit bacterial growth as effectively as fluoride, while being much safer for long-term use. The popularity of hydroxyapatite toothpaste in Asia is not new. Japan approved its use as a cavity-preventing ingredient as early as the 1970s. Cultural and regulatory factors also contribute to its success there. Japanese consumers often prefer non-toxic, biologically compatible health products, and the country's fluoride regulations are more conservative, with lower allowable fluoride concentrations compared to many Western nations. Companies such as Sangi pioneered hydroxyapatite technology decades ago and continue to lead research and development in this area, making the ingredient a trusted part of daily oral care across Asia. Despite fluoride's long-standing reputation as a gold standard in dentistry, some people are wary of potential side effects. Excessive fluoride exposure, particularly during childhood, can cause dental fluorosis, which appears as white or brown spots on enamel. Because fluoride can be absorbed into the body, long-term overexposure may also affect bones or the nervous system. Although normal toothpaste use is generally safe when used correctly, these concerns have encouraged many to seek natural alternatives. Ultimately, hydroxyapatite toothpaste represents a promising evolution in oral health care. It combines safety, effectiveness, and compatibility with the human body, offering a gentle yet powerful way to protect and restore enamel without the potential drawbacks of fluoride. As more evidence supports its benefits, hydroxyapatite is likely to become an increasingly common ingredient in toothpaste worldwide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with friends who care about their dental health. Hit subscribe to stay updated on the latest oral care tips and innovations, and drop a comment below to tell us your thoughts or share your favorite toothpaste. We'd love to hear from you. Your support helps us bring more useful content straight to your feed.